making a prop weapon like swords, knife, axe, and spear, or in this case, a gun. The Mandalorian IB-94 Blaster Pistol. I am not using any files for Pepakura in this project. This is a freehand build. All I am doing here is a continuous look at my computer monitor to look at all the sample images of the pistol online. It is a bit tricky because it is hard to find an image showing all the different sides of the pistol. After searching hard, good thing I have found one. I have cut and shipped the main body and the barrel. Now I am making the hand grips, making sure all the lines and scale of the parts are almost close to the actual replica. I know you guys don't like watching way too much cutting and gluing, and some of you will just jump to the finished part of this video. Please don't do that. So I am going to cut most of the unnecessary clips just to make this build fast and direct to the point. This time, I am using an aluminum rod to make a small cut-out circle, and then using a hot soldering rod to burn a circular hole in the middle, like a tiny donut. This will be used as part of the pistol hammer. And then most of the parts that even I myself don't even know most of the functions, I am just making and copying what I see on my computer. See? You made it this far! Thank you for that! Now, I am using an acrylic emulsion to seal the foam. If you don't have one, just use a white glue to seal everything up, except for the PVC pipe and the wood part of the prop pistol. You need to seal the foam before painting. If not, your foam will just absorb the paint. Then, spray it with primer paint. The base color is black, and then follow it up with Yanmar bronzed. Then this part here is bronze gold. To be honest, I do not know the exact color of the prop pistol. I am just copying what I see online. This part here is plain silver. Then I mix the silver and the bronze gold to create this color for the barrel. Then, using a cardboard, spray silver onto it and then scour the paper onto the pistol to make it old and look like a used up weapon. This time, I am making a combination of a raw sienna, burnt sienna, and a dark brown to make it look like a wooden grips for the pistol. Now, the finished project. Oh yeah, I am actually making two pistols at the same time. That is a customer's request. May not be the best prop pistol out there, Hey, I am still in a process of learning. I hope you like it. Please do not forget to subscribe to support my channel. Thank you so much.